Aral ng Sining 2025 Lifetime Achievement Award is given to Joseph Erap Estrada.
Accepting his award is his son, Senator Jinggoy Estrada.
Maraming salamat sa ating kapamuno ng Film Development Council of the Philippines, ating paboritong direktor, Direk Joey Reyes, dating chairman ng FDCP, ating kumpare, Yerso Cruz III, ang paboritong leading lady ng aking ama, Kabut Sansuroa, the Entertainment Producers of the Philippines, the Directors Guild of the Philippines. Ba naman ito? Magandang gabi po sa lahat. To be honored by your peers is the ultimate recognition of one's talents and achievements. On behalf of my father, former President Joseph Estrada, and our family, I would like to thank the Film Development Council of the Philippines for bestowing the Lifetime Achievement Award upon my father. 2 buwan lang ang nakakaraan noong nabigyan din ng pagkilala ng aking mga magulang sa Senado, ang dating First Lady at former Senator Loy Estrada. And as their son, no words can express the pride I feel for my parents and the legacy they have built in their respective fields. Mahirap pong patayan at mas lalong mahirap igitan ang kanilang mga nagawa, lalo ng aking ama, mapasinado man o sa larangan ng pagiging alagad ng sining. Kapag sinabing Mowel Fund at Metro Manila Film Festival, hindi po maaaring isang tabi ang pangalang Joseph Erap Estrada. My father was once not just an actor and movie producer. He was a visionary, truly an icon of the movie industry. Naglipa naman ng mga fake news, hindi mapabaluktot ang katotohanan sa mga nagawa ng aking ama sa pinakamamahal ng industriya ng pelikulang Pilipino. Hindi ko na isa-isahin ang kanyang mga nagawa dahil kayo na mismo ang makakapagpatunay. Nandito po ako ngayon para tanggapin sa ngalan ng aking ama ang pagpapalaga ninyo sa mga naging ambag at pamana niya sa industriya na nagbigay pangalan at naging daan sa kanyang pagiging lingkod bayan. This award is not just a celebration of a remarkable career as an actor. It recognizes a lifetime dedicated to using art as a platform for social change and national pride. It also pays tribute to a man who never turned his back on the industry that gave him his start, even as he rose to the highest office in our country. And as his son, I am deeply honored to witness how the industry he loves continues to embrace and acknowledge his legacy. This moment reaffirms that my father's contributions, his passion, his dedication, and his belief in the power of cinema have made a lasting impact, not only on screen, but also in the hearts of many. Ang maparangalan ng kanyang mga kapwa-artista at kasamahan sa industriya ay marahil isa sa pinakamahalagang pagpupugay na maaari niyang matanggap. Hindi namin makakalimutan ang pagkilalang ginawad ninyo sa aking ama. And on behalf of my father and our entire family, I would like to express our heartfelt gratitude to the Film Development Council of the Philippines. Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat at mabuhay ang pelikulang